Hey Jaquita, thank you for your informative post on the Zika virus and talking about the strategies used to prevent the virus from spreading. Thankfully, according to the CDC, there have been no confirmed Zika virus cases reported in the U.S. since 2019. Interestingly, the CDC also reports that there have never been cases of the Zika virus reported in Alaska or Hawaii. Just like you mentioned in your presentation, one of the best ways to prevent the spread of the Zika virus is to stay away from the hot zones or the places with the greatest risk of spreading the virus. However, as you mentioned, if traveling to a country with potential Zika outbreaks, it is important for one to protect themselves with things such as mosquito repellent sprays, choosing lodging with windows, screens, or doors to prevent mosquitoes from entering, and using protection during sex. Unfortunately, as you also mentioned, many of the countries with the Zika outbreaks don't have access to the materials that we have, so fortunately in the U.S., to prevent mosquito bites. Thankfully, the World Health Organization is continually working on ways to respond to Zika in other countries by reviewing the development of new tools, including insecticide products and application techniques, providing technical support and guidance to countries for effective management, and by providing training on clinical management, diagnosis, and vector control.